Good morning to all. Today our chapter is Circle chapter, exercise 13A from the book Innovative Math Books. Exercise 13A, chapter name is Circle. Question number 1. Let us see. In a circle of radius 5 cm, calculate the length of a chord which is at a distance of 3 cm from the center. So first we'll draw one circle. This is a circle, suppose. And this is the center, and AB is a chord. AB is a chord. You have to find out the length of the chord which is at the distance of O is the center, OP is the distance which is distance of 3 cm. OP given 3 cm and this is radius. Okay. Here OP is equal to how much given? 3 cm. Radius, that is OA, given 5 cm. You have to find the length of chord AB. So in the triangle AOP, AP equal to how much? That is AO whole square minus OP square root over. AO means that is radius 5 whole square minus 3 whole square, 25 minus 9, that is coming 16. 16 root over is coming how much? 4 centimeter. AP is equal to 4 centimeter. Therefore AB is equal to 2 into AP. 2 into 4, that is 8 centimeter. The length of chord is 8 centimeter. In this way, question number 1 completed. Let us go number 2 question. Number 2, an isosceles triangle whose sides are 13 centimeter, 13 centimeter and 10 centimeter is inscribed in a circle. So first we'll draw one circle. You have to draw one circle. Inside the circle there is an isosceles triangle like this. Isosceles triangle is there. So two sides are equal. Suppose AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC equal to 13 centimeter and BC given 10 centimeter. This is the center of the circle. If I join like this, O is the center of the circle and this is perpendicular. As it is isosceles triangle, this will pass through center and this will bisect, and this is the radius. As BC given 10 centimeter, therefore the BP will be half of BC, that is 10 by 2, 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Radius not given. One minute, let me check. An isosceles triangle whose sides have 13, 13, 10 centimeters inside in a circle, find the radius of circle. So let the radius of circle be, let the radius of the circle be, radius of the circle be x centimeter. That means radius equal to x. Radius equal to x. Therefore, OA is equal to OB is equal to x centimeter. Okay. Radius equal to x centimeter. And BP you got 5 centimeter. Now, OP will be how much? See, in that right angle triangle ABP, AB equal to 13, BP equal to 5. Then AP you can find. Try to find AP, it will be better. Now, AP will be AB square, that is 13 square minus BP 5 square. 13 whole square is how much? 169 minus 5 whole square 25. It is coming 144 root of, which is equal to 12 centimeter. That means AP is equal to 12. And OA is the radius I have taken. Therefore, OP is equal to how much? OP 12 minus x centimeter. Now in the triangle BPO, you have to apply Pythagoras theorem, that is OB square equal to BP square, OB square equal to BP square plus OP square. So here OB I have taken x, that means radius x square, BP equal to BP, that is 5 whole square, plus OP square. OP equal to how much? 12 minus x whole square. You have to open the bracket. This is x square, this is 25 plus 144 plus x square minus 24x. So x square cancel out. This 24x we bring this side. Therefore, I am writing here 24x equal to how much coming? 24x is equal to 144 plus 25, that is coming 169. 169. That means x is equal to 169 by 24. That is the radius. 169. Just to divide, you will get the result. And this is the radius of the circle, 1 theta. Let us go next number. Next to see number 3. Question number 3, it is given that two parallel chords of a circle are of length 6 cm, 8 cm and lie on the same side of the center. Means first to draw one figure. You have to draw one figure like this circle. Two chords are there. Suppose AB is a chord, another chord, CD is a chord. CD. These two are parallel chords are there. O is the center of the circle. The length of two chords are given 6 cm and 8 cm. 8 means this bigger one is 8 and you draw perpendicular. So here the length of big chord, that is 8 cm and CD given how much? 6 cm. 8 cm means this will bisect. Name it P and Q and join the radius. This is the radius and this also radius. OA, OC, these are all radius, and you have to find out the distance between the two chords. Distance two chords, PQ you have to find out. Radius given, that is radius of the circle is 5 cm. Means OA equal to 5. As AB equal to 8 cm, therefore AP equal to how much? AP equal to 8 by 2, that is 4 cm. So in the triangle APO, I have to find out OP. OP is equal to AO square minus AP square root over using Pythagoras theorem. 5 whole square minus AP is how much? 4, that is 4 whole square. 25 minus 16, that is coming 19. 25 minus 18, 9 coming. 9 root over is 3 cm. OP coming 3 cm. Now in the triangle COQ. In the triangle COQ, I have to find out OQ. So OQ is equal to CO whole square minus CQ square root over. The CO is how much? CO, that is radius, 5 whole square minus CQ, that is half of CD. Half of CD, that is 6 half is 3. 3 whole square. 5 square, 25 minus 9, 16 root over is 4 cm. Therefore OQ is equal to 4 cm. Both the chords are same side of the center. Therefore from the figure PQ equal to how much? Therefore PQ, distance between two chords. Distance between two chords, which is equal to OQ minus OP. So OQ got 4 cm minus 3, it is coming 1 cm. The distance between two chords coming 1 cm. In this way, question number 3, 1, 2, 3 completed. Let us go one more question, last question today. See the question number 4, it is given the chord of a circle of radius x centimeters. The radius of circle given x centimeters. First to draw one circle having radius x centimeters. You have to find out length of the chord. Suppose length of the chord, that is AB, which is distance of, this is distance OP and this is the radius OA. So from the figure OP is the distance of the chord from the center. It is given y centimeters, and the radius given, that is OA. OA radius given x centimeter, and we have to find out length of the chord AB. We have to find out length of the chord AB. So now in the triangle APO, AP equal to how much? Using Pythagoras theorem, that is AO whole square minus OP square root over. AO is how much? Radius, that is x square minus OP, that is y square. X square minus y square root over. This much you got AP, but I have to find out length of chord AB. Therefore, AB, length of chord, which is equal to twice of AP, 2 into AP, which is equal to 2 into x square minus y square root over centimeter. In this way, question number 4 completed from the chapter, circle chapter, exercise 13.13a. Next, I will do more sum. Thank you for today's class.